pressure of the BAB, CDS piping, including chemical.
Chemical reaction. Come here. This is the recommendation. Which recommendation?
Exactly this one. Yes.
Provide adequate performance. This one.
Provide adequate overpressure production to prevent overpressure. Including P5, NEB1, BFN, ASA, BML plumber, and chemical. It has covered everything.
So that is why I'm saying that we are doing reverse engineering. Huh? You are directly attacking on the integrity. Let us not attack the integrity. Let us provide this one, then we have to do the integrity. Yes, okay. Are you getting me? Let us not do reverse engineering because this is the last stage. We don't have anything and we are doing the integrity check. I don't have any problem because I have ample of time, but this will put you in trouble in the later stage.
So what you,
I would say that let us focus on point number 2 first. Okay, you implement it, then we can do the integrity check.
We have implemented it.
So now then we have to know the correct tag number and the final one. Then you can tell me, I can put the reference number. I can put.
You don't have that PNID?
They have the PNID, yeah.
I can put here reference and as of recommendation. Number 2.
You want to call that? Sorry, you want to call any other person?
Implemented.
He's having the PNID, na? ASAP. ASAP PNID, we will need to see where this PT and other things.
okay, we can, if you can,
the resolution is very low. This thing.
No. In ASAP it was very high. Now
Will you take any have the rank it? The sheet?
As of you are saying?
Can you open our PNID first MOL 3.3 first PNID where we have RT 5?
4. This is 4.
Then I will
Okay, good. I think we can take 4. 4, 2, 2, 2, 4. I can consider this one. I don't have any concern, but you should not get confused tomorrow. Still was discussed in the
BAB is a big thing.
okay, this is the 4 rate loss of
Everywhere people are there.
सिनेरियो है ना
सिनेरियो अलग है दिस ओवर प्रेशर करके ओवर प्रेशर कर रहे हैं वी आर एडिंग अ कॉस्ट टू दैट शुड बी अवॉइडेड